Okay, guys, I am really happy that we all are learning fast on this particular platform. Okay, let's see more on how we can make more money using this mobile setup again. Okay, so I'm just going to be doing chart analysis alone so that you will understand how it really works. So if you are not having the 3M trend milker indicator, the one I use on my PC, and you are not having my trading bots, then definitely you can still use this to make some good amount of money for yourself. Okay, if you understand this strategy, you should be making nothing less than $100 yesterday. The reason is this actually got to the resistance zone yesterday, and of course it was unable to break out from there, so it gave us a pattern around there that also supports the indicator on the chart, which led into this sell. Okay, and of course it sold for a while, and right now we are having a new pattern already. This is boom 500, and I want you to understand that you can make a lot of profit with this. Okay, as you can see, this is on 15-minute time frame, and of course this will have given you lots of profit. But right now, if you should notice, let me change this to white. Okay, this has actually gotten to this support zone. Okay, it didn't break out from there at the beginning, so it went back up, so it's coming down already. Okay, so it will be getting to this support zone again. If it breaks out below it, most especially if it gets to this level and it breaks out below this, then this is what we should be experiencing. You can see it is a major support zone. Then we should expect it to get to this spot before we go back into an uptrend. But if it does not break out below this support zone, this particular support zone, if it does not break out below it, something is going to happen. And what is that? It's going to be a long buy. And the reason is, if you should check it out, this is giving us a big W. Okay, this pattern will be giving us a big W, and this will be the last leg of the W, and we are most likely to buy the spiky part of boom 500 for a very long time, and that is if it does not break out below this support zone. But immediately it breaks out below the support zone, then we should expect it to get to this region right here. Okay, so you should take note of that and use it to milk the market successfully. Let's check out our trading activities within the trading with the bots. Okay, let's check out the trading activities with the bots. Okay, so I've not turned it on this morning. I will be turning it on any moment from now. So I'm going to go to history and check out our trading result for this week or for the last few days. Okay, so check them out. You can see this is amazing, guys. There are some rates in between. Okay, so but we have more profit than the rates. Okay, so that is it. So in total for now, this is close to $13,000 profits, $13,000 profits, and I started with just $200. Okay, so this is so amazing, guys. It is mind-blowing. It is so amazing. It is crazy. And of course, there are more promo going on for this particular trading bots in the Telegram platform. So you guys that are not in the Telegram platform, you can go ahead and check it out right now. The link to the Telegram platform is in the description box, and I'll try as much as possible to pin it down to the comment section so that you can take advantage of this opportunity. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.